Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to build an MCP server, that is a shop assistant, a real runnable MCP server with 60 lines of code. So what exactly it will do? It lets an MCP compatible AI answer questions like, do I have unpaid invoices, using the live data. So we have some functions. What it exposes: get invoices, right? Invoices by the status like unpaid, paid and all. Get customer balance, so total on by the customer. Search products, check stock. Shop summary, read only shop snapshot. Okay, so these are the steps that we are going to follow for installing the MCP, right? And then clickable for the MCP inspector, we are going to use the MCP dev server.py. Okay, then here you can see that we have already the MCP inspector, right? And here we have the list of the tools: get invoices, that list the status can be unpaid; get customer balance, search products by the SKU, okay, and the check the stock. So currently, if I click on the check invoices, so here you can see that I have get the result of the invoices. Okay, so here I'm going to expanding. Let's run again. That is get invoices, clear, list tools, get invoices. Okay, run the tool. So here we have the results of the invoices, that is unpaid, right? So here we get the invoices. Here you can get the customer balance also. So here there is unpaid invoices, so total this one. Search product, so here we can add your query and search the product accordingly, right? And then we have a check the stock, so any SKU you can check the stock, right? So on the terminal, I can want to see if there is any product that we have. No, I don't have that one check. Okay, so let's check how I have built all this. Okay, so first of all, let little bit introduction. That is, what is the MCP? MCP is a USB-C port for the AI. Large language models are brilliant at the language, but blind to real data. MCP is one standard that lets any AI safely plug to any app. That is called that one. One plug, everything connects. Before USB C, right? Every device had its own cable. USB C replaced them with one universal port. MCP does the same thing for the AI. One universal way for an assistant to talk to your tools, right? Files, databases. So nobody rewrites wiring for the every new app. The problem it fixes. Before MCP, custom code for every AI to app pair. Fragile, duplicated, never reusable. With MCP, each app exposes its tools once in a standard way. Okay, the MCP compatible. So the three pieces of the code, that is the AI client, the brain, the MCP server, the doorway, the tools, the actions we have to perform, like the get invoices. This is my tools, search products, create ticket. Okay, a real example that do I have the any unpaid invoices, right? So here you can see that in this function, right? This tool, what it will do, list the invoices, status can be unpaid, paid and anything, right? So status here it mentioned that is unpaid, so it will pull all the records of the unpaid, right? So this is here you can see that I have called that tool. So it's mentioned the params is this one, get customer balance, arguments null, meta this, then it will give you me the response, right? So this is the inspector where we can check that one. Okay, and how to run this, it's very easy and very simple. So just you have to run this command, that is, give me 1 minute. I have here it's mentioned MCP. Here it's mentioned, first of all, install. If it is not installed the official MCP SDK, then we have to run this command MCP dev server.py, that opens the MCP inspector in your browser. So automatically downloads everything. Then it will give you most important, the command should be this one, and this is the argument, that is server.py. Then you have to connect it, then it will give you the tools and you can just call it right now. Okay, okay, this is done, right? So short, MCP is equal to USB port for the AI, and one standard to connect the assistants to the real apps, right? Three parts, that is the AI client, the MCP server, and the tools, the actions we have to perform. It lets AI use your live data instead of guessing, right? So let's dive into the code level, what exactly we have right into the server.py file. Okay. So here we have the server.py file. I'm gonna open with Sublime. Okay, so the shop assistant, a real MCP server. Okay, so this is here you can see that the fake in memory business data, so that runs with a zero setup. In a real server, these functions would query your database or the ERP or the API, right? So let me word wrap this first. Why it's not word wrap? Okay, so here you can see that we have few invoices, we have few products, right? So first of all, the get invoices. So use this when the user asks about the invoices, money owned or the overdue bills. Okay, so the get invoices tool will do that one, return the invoices on the behalf of the statuses. Then we have a customer balances. Okay, so it will give you the customer balances by calculating the amount and everything. Then we have a search products, you can search the products. Okay, then check stock, check how many units of the products by SKU are in stock. Then we have a shop summary, a resource read only context that AI can pull in addressed like a URL. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so this is how we have built that simple, a small MCP server where we can access the data. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.